Hey man.
Hey man, what's up?
I'm good. How you doing?
Still alive, can't complain much.
Nice.
Cooked in for so long, man. Yeah.
So, you're coming over tomorrow, right?
Yeah, man. Of course, man. Pretty, you know. Finally get to go out and do stuff.
So you guys, Ame, the new guy on the block. Hope that you guys akan suka dia juga lah, you know, really good guy, right? Are you?
I hope so.
Okay. Apa you nak buat dah tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow, thinking we could go to Subway.
Subway's famous giant footlong sandwiches are made right before your eyes.
Subway, eat fresh, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what they say, right?
To find their secret, you know.
How about one thing? Gonna check out right now. What if I'm what if I'm wrong? I'm just so dumb, girl.
It's called theory for a reason.
Okay. And now I can't wait for tomorrow.
Awesome, bro.
All right.
It's dope.
Please though. All right. Do it. Yeah. Got it. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm at home right now, as you guys can see. Lockdown punya season kan sekarang ni. Okay, so I can't really go anywhere. Roadblocks literally everywhere. Aku pergi pavilion hari tu kayu guys. Aku kena saman for no reason whatsoever tau. I got so pissed off. I'm not a bad person. I'm such a good guy. Betul tak, mate?
Betul?
Yeah, betul. Hey, you guys. This is May. You wanna show yourself or no?
Later.
Oh, okay, fine. This is May. I think that his work is so good. Aku baru-baru ni kan, you guys. It's like I have been so super addictive to this drink now. It's called Bundaberg root beer. Oh my god, no, you know, like it's so good. Okay. Are you scared or something?
What we planning to do?
Aku dapat benda ni, aku tahu tak dekat mana?
Mana?
Dekat muka itu.
Muka itu?
Muka itu.
Muka itu?
Muka itu. Oh, okay, fine. I was at the called muka itu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know.
Okay, I get it.
Right?
Yeah.
I pergi duduk kat okay guys, and I was like, yo, this knife, it's like so sharp. Sudu dia punya garpu semua, you guys, including this knife. Oh, baru bangun tidur tau sebenarnya. Lepas tu, Amir was like, ding dong, like macam oh aku belum mandi lagi tau. Like I just woke up, dude. Is that okay? Do I?
I don't think we can smell through the screen again.
Don't take anything from yang you're not supposed to take. Contohnya buku. I did. Aku ambil semua benda tu, you know what I mean? That is so wrong. I'm gonna tell you guys a story right now. Okay. Orang semua nak tahu, okay you guys, like what happened since kita punya last video. Our last video kan you guys is like so ada dengan Man, kita dekat tingkat 3 masa tu. And then dia dah belah. Kain hijau tu macam tiba-tiba kan jatuh kan. Things have been happening. Lepas tu like a lot of people say, hi Stella, like they still say that it's fake lagi. Macam you saw aku punya videos kan?
Yeah.
Is it real ke benda tu fake ke, you know what I mean?
I don't think you can fake anything like that, you know, like I remember the night that I came here.
Yeah.
Right. So I was sitting at the living room.
Okay, kat sini.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Me and another friend
hopefully
have a feeling that someone or something
is staring at us from the stairs. Like at the corner of the stairs.
Everybody macam nak tengok Stella. Guys, she's here. Okay, down you go. Baru-baru ni kan, it's like I have been having dreams. I keep seeing the same face and the same human being like every time tau. You lost someone, macam dia dah meninggal ke, ataupun macam dia decided to go kan. It's like I have been having the same dream like almost every night. Aku pun dekat sini macam, why do I keep having the same face hari-hari? Where do I go from here tau? Aku dekat sini macam I don't know what to do. Amir kata, yo, you should go meet someone, a therapist ke whatever. I got this knife. I just buat macam ni ke. It's wrong. It don't make sense at all. Stop. So you guys, aku tak lama lagi mungkin I'm gonna move to another house, but when, I don't know. So man, welcome to my room.
Awesome.
Welcome to my room. Like it's a little sepa, sorry. Ada komputer yang ada kat atas. Ada banyak gila research. Okay, so ada kena mengenai dengan the food, macam makanan semua yang kita makan kan you guys. It's like someone sepatutnya be in this video juga, but he's not here because you know, dia punya wife is you know, like having the little belly, you know, like you know, the belly. I'm gonna prove to semua orang that Subway is not what it seems.
When you order at a fast food place, you assume you're getting what you asked for.
The tuna is not what it seems. Banyak lagi benda that we're supposed to know and learn.
Is this what the inside of it looks like?
But this is just kita punya part 1 because the little brother, you know. So I gotta be nice, right?
Yep. You have to lah.
Am I nice?
Yeah, you're nice.
Yeah, really? Huh?
You helped me out, so
Am I good looking?
yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
Yeah, why not? Oh, so I'm not good looking now? If kita tak pergi Subway, kita akan order Subway. May's here.
What's up, guys?
He's so beautiful though. He's so handsome. He's such a beautiful man. With a beautiful heart. He's so sexy. He's so beautiful. Dia suka dah. Dia suka. Okay. You want to take a selfie with me?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Okay, that's nice. I see you guys in a bit. Peace! Hey, what's up you guys, PrinceMeed here. Today punya video kan you guys is like we are gonna talk about benda-benda that kita makan and the things that we put in our system. Honestly, you guys is like everybody love fast food. I love fast food. I eat fast food all the time. Masalahnya kan you guys is like we don't know what is in that fast food. Absolutely delicious, but we don't know what is actually in them. Hari ni punya video you guys, I like it will hurt some people, mostly disagree with everything that I have to say today. Ada one more thing I have to say to all of you right now. It's good to be back.
SCP-173 contained successfully by function of Unit 1.
Lama gila tak pakai this. I feel so powerful. I got all my power back, and I got my ice cold beer. I feel recharged, and I got all the energy right now. I feel like I'm a guy from Texas, and I feel good. Kita akan try and freaking order some Subway. I don't want to leave the house. I don't want to go out because macam ramai semua kan. Aku punya rumah macam bersepah tu. Dude, look at the mess. I have clothes here. I see human beings now, how they can become, I don't know, it's like that. Everything changed though, man. I don't know how to say things now. Cuma benda-benda semua kan, it's like it changes and it evolves. Kau gila. I was in a huge depression for months. I lost someone. And I would do anything to get them back. Anything. I tried everything. But what to do, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. I don't even know. Yeah. I don't even know where to go from here. Okay, you wanna?
Yeah.
I'll sit down over there. Apa yang kita have dulu, you guys? We got KFC, kita ada McDonalds, kita ada Subway, kita ada Pizza Hut. Ada banyak gila fast food joints in Malaysia, you guys. It's not just in Malaysia, you guys. It's worldwide.
Things like McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's can be found all around the world.
It's all over the world, you guys. It's like fast food putting chains, you guys. It's worldwide. Mostly, you guys, all of this came from the United States. Starbucks, United States, is like, it's all from the United States. Dekat Malaysia, dekat Indonesia. It's like you don't know how they do your food. It's like you tak tahu macam mana.
We're gonna go inside a Japanese McDonald's and show you Japan-only menu items.
Chicken kebab whole grain wrap.
The patty is dry. The first thing I notice is this bun is really yellow in the inside.
Fillet of fish. Look at that white fuzz on the top of it. The quarter pounder. That thing's got a rainforest going on inside there.
Most of the things kan you guys that you see semua kan in front of the camera. Benda-benda semua that you see on camera, it's for the show. Contohnya kan you guys macam ni. Ada pekerja-pekerja semua yang tengah masak ke.
Their ice machines are really hard to clean. So if a lazy worker at a restaurant doesn't clean it well, your ice is gonna be dirty. You know those grill marks on your fast food burgers? Well, those aren't from the grill in the back. They're actually put on there by the factory workers that made the burger.
I've seen people do some disgusting things. I'm talking straight up blowing boogers into the trays.
In the back kan you guys, it's like, oh, ada berita semua datang. There will be cameras watching us. Aku kena bersihkan this whole place. Why? Because we are about to be on camera. What about off camera, do you guys? Do you guys know what they do to your food? How clean and how fresh is your food? A few years ago kan korang, someone filmed the back of KFC. Macam biasa, like it seems kind of clean, and then off camera, you guys, I still remember you guys, a couple of years ago, dengan Syul, kita pergi to KFC tau, macam dekat-dekat sini lah kan. Ayam dia, it's all chicken. It's all, lepas tu macam dia punya rasa pun, it's all, and it smells bad. Kita bukannya makan semua tadi guys, like we ate half of it. I think I show you guys, it's like every time kalau kita keluar, it's always KFC. Dia always minta aku KFC. Every KFC yang kita pergi kan you guys, it does not taste the same. Good it tastes bad and it tastes really, really horrible. When I say macam horrible kan you guys, it tastes like old, dry, and absolutely disgusting. Aku bukannya macam nak kena saman ke apa. A few years ago, aku tak sure benda ni kat mana. Ayam ni, like it was not actually ayam. It was seekor tikus.
So good.
Finger-licking good chicken shaped like a rat?
Ada yang dia punya kulit tu semua kan you guys. Ada yang dia punya daging semua, dia punya kulit semua, like whatever. It was actually seekor tikus. Not a piece of chicken, it was a piece of tikus. Then of course, macam they gaduh balik, you know, lepas tu KFC menang.
Our chicken tenders often vary in size and shape, and we currently have no evidence to support Dixon's claim.
Lepas tu diorang pun katakan ni guys, oh no, itu bukannya tikus, itu sebenarnya ayam. It was a piece of chicken yang nampak macam tikus. Of course lah KFC menang though you guys. Honest to God, I nak pergi gaduh dengan KFC. I say, weh, like your food ada ni semua. Lepas tu, of course, no one will ever believe me. Who the hell yang nak believe anything that I say, betul tak? You know what I mean? It don't matter where you are though sebenarnya. Kalau you dekat KFC ke, kalau you dekat McDonalds ke, it's like you won't know what happens behind the kitchen. And I'm not just saying that aku kena saman ke whatever. Then now you guys, it happens dekat Subway. Subway, eat fresh, right? Eat fresh. Dia punya slogan, right? Subway, eat fresh. Apa nak nampak you guys? It's like so many people actually beratur to have a piece of sandwich daripada Subway.
Satu BMT, no. Satu Subway melt, satu lagi club.
Yes, it's nice. It's healthy.
Korang boleh pilih dulu actually. Korang boleh pilih dulu. Korang nak makan jenis apa. Saya kita tengok step pertama.
Mana step? Lepas step apa?
Lapar sangat tu.
So yes, it's healthy and you won't get fat sangat. Siapa suka makan tuna? I suka tuna, okay guys, because it's healthy and you won't get fat. Baru-baru ni kan you guys, I have been ordering a lot of sandwiches daripada Subway. I akan always order dia punya tuna sandwich.
You want to win out there today? Then get a tuna footlong from Subway.
Tapi baru-baru ni kan you guys, I notice some things. I perasan that it's not fish and it's not tuna. I order I punya tuna sandwich, but I tak dapat that tuna sandwich. Guys, kita akan get the damn Subway. I baru beli this vape, 560 ringgit for a freaking vape. For a vape yang kecil though, my Monster lagi besar. My Monster energy drink. My Monster energy drink. Not my Monster. Gila tu, flavor asing, dia punya battery asing, ini pun asing. So semua sekali.
Wait, battery pun asing?
Battery asing. I swear to God, crazy ass. If you buy tuna sandwich from Subway, it's not actually tuna. It's so crazy. It's not tuna at all.
I like their cookies.
You like their cookies? You want some cookies? I want cookies too. Without cheese, no vegetables, no dressing, and no sauce or whatever. Okay, that's it. And also, kita akan order different tuna.
Oh, definitely.
Yes.
Most popular sandwiches is tuna, and lately it's been getting a lot of attention.
Subway fighting back this morning against claims that its tuna sandwiches don't actually have any tuna.
Subway's tuna salad sub
doesn't actually have tuna or fish in it. Not contain tuna or have any ingredient that constitutes tuna.
So 6 chocolate chip cookies. Alright. Water, you guys. It's Dasani though. It's always Dasani punya water though. Holy hell. Tuna, roasted chicken, chicken teriyaki.
I like cheese. My favorite.
So this up.
Ah,
yeah,
there it is.
I'm gonna go get the food right now.
Got the food.
Alright. Hey, he won't stop looking at me though. Gonna put him macam.
Trying to recognize like you, I guess.
So, so we got the food right here. And now, I really gotta try this shit right now. Serious. Okay. Dude. Okay. If it's not tuna, then what is it?
Tuna, and lately it's been getting a lot of attention.
I always makan the tuna. It looks like tuna and it tastes like tuna, but okay.
Two customers at Subway say there wasn't tuna in their tuna sandwich.
Why does it look like that? Okay. Here you go.
Subway insists 100% wild-caught tuna, 100% delicious.
Ugh. What the hell?
No tuna in the tuna?
I'm gonna take it and put it on one side out. Oh my god.
Subway's tuna is not actually tuna. The products are made from anything but tuna and are instead a mixture of various concoctions that have been blended together to imitate the appearance of tuna.
Okay. If ini bukan tuna, then what is it?
The tuna isn't tuna or fish.
The products are made from a mixture of various concoctions that do not constitute tuna, yet have been blended together by defendants to imitate the appearance of tuna.
I'm never eating at Subway ever again.
Yeah, this is not tuna. Guys, this is not tuna. Dude, aku kalau kena saman ke depan ni macam mana?
I don't know. I don't know. I find it really hard to believe that there's no tuna in the tuna.
Yeah. Aku bukannya macam nak burukkan nama Subway ke apa tau. It's just that, like, aku tengah rasa benda ni right now and it does not taste like tuna at all.
Asked an employee about the tuna controversy, he brought out the packaging.
Where does it say tuna?
And there, in black and white, it says the ingredients are tuna, water, and salt.
The reason we never noticed this before because, you know, we tend to put sauce over it and then with the veggies and all that, it kind of like cover up the actual taste of it.
Yes. Yeah. Oh my god, you pandai. Yes. If I order a tuna punya sandwich, I want it to be 100% tuna. At the this one, you guys, there's no tuna langsung tau. It looks like tuna, it tastes like tuna, but it's not actually tuna. There's satu lagi benda, you guys, that has been actually going on for a long time. And now people baru perasan. If you order ayam from Subway, okay, guys,
its chicken is only 50% chicken.
Ini yang people semua kata it's like 50% chicken sahaja. Now we got dia punya chicken. 50% chicken. If I order chicken, it needs to be 100% chicken, betul tak?
Yep.
Subway eat fresh. Fresh my ass. Look at that, dude. Look at the chicken, no? Chicken out. Okay.
Okay, you see this part right here? Do you think an actual chicken would actually have like this part right here?
Study finds Subway's chicken only contains about 50% chicken DNA. 50%. So what is...
Dude, it does not feel like a chicken though. Kenapa dia macam... Okay lah, macam ni okay guys. I like it. It looks like chicken. It tastes like chicken. It's not actually chicken. All over the world. Semua kedai Subway okay guys. Kalau you order dia punya ayam, it's not 100% fully ayam. If you nak ayam, you want it to be 100% fully ayam. Guys, it's only 50% ayam. It's only 50% of chicken. If you go to McDonald's, you guys, you order satu McChicken. And dia punya patty to you guys is around 80% of chicken, and the rest semua it's made out of their natural ingredients. For some reason, you guys, if you go to Subway, it's not 100% fully chicken. It's only 50% chicken. Hard and soft at the same time. Oh, okay, jap. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Dah okay. Ada bunyi tak? Let's try.
Yeah, I think I hear that. Yeah. But I don't know if the camera hear it or not.
Yeah. Aku boleh dengar like a...
Subway sues a journalist for reporting its chicken is only 50% chicken and loses. Subway's oven roasted chicken tested as 53.6% chicken and the strips 42.8% chicken.
Yeah, that is not chicken at all.
It's not chicken though.
The oven roasted chicken at Subway isn't necessarily completely chicken.
The chicken at Subway is not necessarily chicken.
Yeah, chicken does not look like that.
It is not chicken though, like you can see though. Guys, ni ayam ke apa ni?
I think from here you can see. Yeah, that does not look. That is not what chicken looks like on the inside.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy! What the?
That does not look like chicken. It just looks like, you know, they kind of mash up and then they shape it into a patty.
Pandai. Aku selalu makan ayam though, but what the?
Yeah, that is definitely not chicken.
This is not chicken. Aku tak gila apa. I'm not like a psycho ke whatever, but I know chicken. I love chicken. This is not chicken. Nope. 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 It does not taste macam ayam. What the hell? Dude, I cracked the code though. You letak the sauce, you letak the cheese semua, so you don't really taste how it actually tastes like. Cheese semua dengan apa nama? Sauce,
vegetable and all that.
Vegetables, tomato semua aku letak semua like all on top kan. Yeah. You don't really taste the shit. The best one kat Subway is punya cookies.
Yeah.
That's it. This is not tuna at all. This, oh my god, look at that. Holy shit. Kenapa nampak like cat food? Cat food ke? Bagus saja je. Makanan you sedap gila. I love Subway sandwiches.
What's the rest of that patty, or what's in the rest of the chicken? So it's not like it's rat meat or something crazy like that, but it's not necessarily chicken.
Piece of chicken.
Yeah, when you take a bite also I can hear the...
Ah! So done dengan Subway, aku tak nak makan Subway lagi dah. Alamak, dia punya meatballs.
Oh iyalah.
Aduh, but the beef. I got a foot long meatballs if you want. So gay. Subway Malaysia ke, Subway Thailand ke, Subway Indonesia ke, Subway US ke, is the exact same company, the exact same people. Yes, it's nice to eat. Yes, it's so sedap. It tastes like tuna, it looks like tuna. It is not actually tuna. Subway, eat fresh. Fresh my ass. Sorry. I hate this, dude. So gross. Baru-baru ni kan you guys, the whole world tahu apa benda yang dah jadi dekat Palestine. Ada perang, and then most people lost their lives. They lost their Asal nak cakap macam ni lah, okay guys. Kat Palestine right now kan korang, it's not like here. Aku tak boleh bayangkan kalau Malaysia kena benda-benda macam tu. I cannot even imagine kalau you hilang you punya loved ones. Ada budak-budak semua yang mati, orang tua semua yang mati, ada yang kena rogol, ada yang kena bunuh, ada budak-budak ni macam dia tengah jalan ke apa, lepas tu dia kena tembak for no reason at all. Yeah. Orang dekat Malaysia semua guys, kita support Palestine. Kita backup sebab ada orang kuat Islam. Kita pun dekat Malaysia kan guys, like kita kuat Islam. Indonesia kuat Islam. Jangan notice kan guys, orang Malaysia, they would do absolutely anything help all these people yang tengah susah semua dekat Palestine. Dekat Malaysia kan you guys, kita ada banyak gila companies. Kita ada kedai makan semua yang daripada US. Also from that negara yang aku tak boleh cakap on video. Tapi you guys know apa negara tu kan? Okay, so I tak boleh cakap nama negara tu sebab lepas ni aku kena something apa, Starbucks. Owner dia is orang Yahudi. It's from US, yes. Tapi dia punya owner is orang Yahudi. Ada banyak lagi brand ke whatever kan guys, and I can't say it on camera. I tak boleh go in deep on camera sebab yeah, ada satu problem lah kan you guys. I don't even know how to say it now. Orang Melayu kita, ada orang say, oh aku kesian gila dekat budak-budak semua yang dekat Palestine semua. After semua benda that they see semua kat social media kan you guys, it's like they still beli produk daripada dorang. They still buy food from these brands and from all this kan you guys. It's like they still buy and they still eat and they still drink all of these things yang daripada negara tu.
Sekarang ni saya nak tanya macam mana, apa yang sedap dekat Sabah ni sebenarnya? Macam mana nak order dia? Nak order dia. Ikut cup Oh, okey. Dia ada dua jenis ke apa? Hot dengan ais. And dia punya ni besar dia macam mana? Oh, venti paling besar lah.
A lot of people kan you guys, it's like they plan untuk nak boycott company ni semua kan you guys, Yahudi semua, you know, like all this stuff. Yang paling besar kan you guys, it's McDonalds. Beratus ribu orang kan you guys, semua kata dude, kita kena boycott McDonalds. Orang yang pergi reka McDonalds kan you guys, dia seorang American and dia seorang Yahudi. McDonalds ada kat Malaysia kan you guys, it is now owned by a Malay guy. Orang Melayu yang own McDonalds in Malaysia right now. Sebelum ni, it was a guy daripada Saudi Arabia. Dekat Malaysia, it's owned by a Malay dude. Majority fast food chains, coffee punya chains semua kan you guys, semua di-own daripada orang Yahudi. Semua yang direka daripada orang Yahudi. You akan nampak McDonald's punya restaurants you guys is like everywhere you go in the world. And I'm not just saying that tau. Everywhere you go in the world, you akan nampak McDonald's. For so many years, many years, everybody keeps saying the exact same thing. Kita kena tutup McDonald's semua dekat Malaysia, you know, like all this shit. And now dengan benda-benda yang tengah berlaku with orang Islam dengan Yahudi semua kan you guys, they still say kita kena tutup McDonald's dekat Malaysia until someone ada satu idea, a big smart idea untuk save McDonald's, very smart idea untuk save McDonald's from every Muslim punya location. Ada banyak gila negara yang support Palestine, okay guys. Apa boy band yang paling huge in the world right now? It's BTS.
Yeah, we're here for the BTS.
I'm gonna say one thing right now, okay guys. Kalau you suka BTS, it's fine. Diorang punya lagu semua, it's okay, it's fine. They use that to save McDonald's in all Muslim countries. Masa benda-benda yang Palestine ni semua macam tengah happening semua right now kan you guys. Orang semua macam tengah fikir tau, okay, so how do we save McDonald's from shutting down? Orang Malaysia semua dia suka apa? Orang Indo semua dia suka apa? They love BTS, especially dekat Malaysia okay, you guys. I've seen people yang so obsessed gila dengan BTS, and it's okay though, benda tu tak salah. Macam you're a fan, they use that untuk save McDonald's. They have one idea. Ada logo yang BTS tu kan you guys, on the box, Chicken McNuggets.
Kentang I cook dengan nugget je.
And kita akan letak the price for RM15. So yang biasa kan you guys, it's like you have 6 pieces and you have 9 pieces. So guess what you guys? Oh, kita akan letak lagi satu, so it's 10 pieces. Ada yang dia punya sauce tu kan.
This one ni normal sauce, lepas tu ada sauce caigun, sauce cili manis,
and 1 extra nugget.
Thank you. Wait.
And guess what you guys? It's working.
Ni orang bantu ramai-ramai ni ada apa ni? Hari ni 26 Mei 2021. Ada makan-makan apa ni? Banyak gila beratur. Ada offer ke?
Sanggup beratur panjang-panjang semua tau you guys. I mean for Chicken McNuggets.
beratur panjang sampai sana guys. So kita tengah dapatkan BTS meal.
Yang dia punya box tu ada simbol BTS. Yang dia punya cup tu you guys ada simbol BTS. And then yang dia punya special sauce, also dia punya paper bag ada simbol BTS. It's working.
Chaos at 34 McDonald's stores over these meals inspired by the Korean boy band BTS. There was so much demand, the first day of sales ended with overturned tables and chairs. A backlog of delivery drivers led to crowding anyway as they grew anxious to fill orders. It was all for, get this, 10 chicken McNuggets, fries, a Coke.
I pun beli. I nak tengok tau, you know, because you kena rasa. It's just nuggets.
Hello.
Hai, selamat pagi mana?
Hai, nak BTS meal satu set.
Ada lagi?
Itu saja.
Alright,
thank you.
Orang sampai buat review tu you guys. It's like nobody cakap nak boycott McDonald's now. Why? Sebab they love their favorite boy bands BTS, and it worked. Ada someone yang sampai menangis you guys sebab they didn't get the paper bag.
Ini I nak order McD, BTS punya meal. Yes, I bayar dengan harga sama macam orang lain. Tapi tengok apa yang I dapat. Mana BTS packaging? Well, I dapat ni je. Sos ni. Kalau tak bagi sos ni memang tak guna lah McD. Price macam biasa lah, I tak kisah. And paper bag, I tak dapat pun paper bag BTS. Kan ada orang cakap dia lipat, letak dalam ni. Tapi look what it is. I pay same harga sama macam orang lain.
They made millions and millions a day just because of their punya packaging. So kita baru order real food. Now we got real food. Apa kita beli?
Burger King.
We bought burger. Sabar lah, you want me to whoop your ass? Sorry. It's 3 times. This is what you call food right here.
Yeah.
You're seeing us, Stella. What do you want? No. Buon appetito. Alright guys. I'm gonna makan, so hopefully it's so delicioso, alright?